Okay, we looked at the Derek and Rosa problem with the data table. Now I want to look at the same exact problem looking at a graph. Okay, so we had Derek had no money, and then he had $75 every week. I'm sorry, every month. So his equation is y equals 75x. You could think of it as plus zero, okay, the amount of money he started with. So let's graph Derek's money, and then we'll graph Rosa's money. And this doesn't work as nicely as maybe paper and pencil, but we'll just do the best we can. So Derek, I'm just going to use red for Derek. At 0 months, Derek has $0. And then he adds $75 every month. Okay, so I could have, used the data from my data table and go month. No, the month one would be $75. And notice the y-axis is counting by 25s. So that's going up 3 spaces. And I could go back to the data table, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going up $75 over a month. So I'm going up 3 spaces of 25 over 1 month, because that's my slope. I started at 0 on the y-axis. So right here, I'm going to go up $75 over a month. This is not going to be easy, I know that. Okay, up $75 over a month. Okay, up $75 over a month. If we had paper and pencil, we could actually have with a ruler, drawn a straight line through the first couple of points and probably been just fine. But on this, it doesn't work quite that nice. So we're going to go up $75 over 1. Okay, and then up $75 over 1. Okay, so here's my Derek line. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line using my draw line feature. And again, if this was just paper and pencil, we could have drawn the first 2 points and drew a straight line through, and I know it would have turned out a lot better. Okay, but let's look at Rosa. Rosa is starting with $300 because that's her. Well, first of all, it says she's starting with $300, but it's also at the end of the equation. So I'm going to start with $300 on the y-axis, because that's my y-intercept. And then I could look at the data table and get my numbers, but I'm just going to use this trick here, guys. If my slope is 25 over 1, I'm going to think of it for Rosa. I'm going to go up $25 over 1 month. Okay, up $25 over 1 month. Just continue going up $25 for every 1 month. Okay, a couple more times. I want to get to the magic spot. Okay, because eventually, when I go up $25 over a month, look what happens. The 2 lines cross. Okay, the 2 lines, I'm going to draw the line through the green, which is Rosa. My 2 lines will cross over. They will intersect at this point right here. Look at the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate is 6 months. The y-coordinate of this point, okay, see that's right above 6. The y-coordinate of this point Look right over on the y-axis. We're right across from $450. Okay, so the two lines cross at point 6, comma 450, or 6 months, $450. See, that solution, 6 months, $450, is the same exact answer we got with the data tables. It's just looking at it on a graph instead of on the data table. Okay, so that point 6 comma 450 is called the solution to the system of equations. Okay, the system of equations is just more than one equation. Okay, so this is two equations. The solution is simply where the two lines cross. Okay, where the two lines intersect. Okay, we're going to go into a lot more detail in this next week. Okay, let me know how you're doing.